let us continue with chapter 1. Today we are dealing with states of matter. We have three states of matter: solid state, liquid state, gaseous state, and we have another state that is plasma state that exists in stars. Okay, so but in your syllabus we are studying about solid, liquid and gaseous state. So look at this. This is the magnified image of solid, liquid and gaseous state where the particles are arranged in this format. Now, what are the properties of solids? Solids have definite shapes, a fixed volume, and always solids maintain their shapes. And if you apply some high force, they can break. So it is very rigid. So it is harder to change the shape of the solid. And it has very negligible compressibility. If you compare to liquids and gases, the compressibility rate is very negligible. Let us look at the properties of liquids now. So liquids have no fixed shape and it has a fixed volume. It takes the shape of the container. Yes, if you put it in any container, you can see the liquid taking that particular shape. And particles in the liquids move very freely, not like solids. And the diffusion rate is higher here than solids. Okay. Coming to properties of gases, in this state, it has high diffusion rate. Particles move at high speed. High pressure is exerted by the particles, and you can see that even gas has no definite shape, but they are very highly compressible. Okay, so after knowing the properties of these states of matter, we have an experiment, okay, which is done in order to see that what happens when the solids are prone to heating. Okay, what are the effects of changes of temperature on solids? So let us look at this now. Look at this experiment. We are going to do this in order to find the effect of change of temperature, how it is going to affect. Okay, so for this we need to take a thermometer, a glass stirrer, a beaker and some 150 gram of ice. So how we are going to do this? So first of all, take about 150 grams of ice into a beaker, suspend a laboratory thermometer so that its bulb is in contact with the ice. Now start heating the beaker on a low flame. So when you see ice starts melting, you should note the temperature, and also you have to note the temperature while all ice has converted into water. So what all you are going to observe, you need to record the observations. Now put a glass rod in the beaker and heat while stirring till the water starts boiling. You need to wash the thermometer very carefully. So now there is a conversion of water in liquid state to the gaseous state. Okay, so the water has been converted into gaseous state by this time. So what all you can observe here? So as the temperature increases, there is an increase in the kinetic energy also, and particles starts vibrating with greater speed. Okay, now energy supplied by heat overcomes the forces of attraction between the particles, due to which particles start living freely. Okay, they leave their fixed position and start moving freely. So this is what observations you can see when there is a change in the temperature.